In this video, I'm going to cover Bitcoin rejecting the $12,000 price point and Tezos looking to follow Chainlink. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another daily crypto video. So I'm going to cover Bitcoin and how it's rejecting the $12,000 level, and we're going to take a quick look at Tezos as well. But first, let's go over to CoinGecko and take a look at the red markets. It's a sea of red today, which is nothing, just nothing wrong with that. Because if you look here at the 7 days, at the 7 day mark, I mean, there's just massive gains, and it's only healthy to, retrace a little bit. I mean, every crypto in the top 100 in a 1 week span has seen from as little as 1% all the way up to the big gainers of 191%. It's just sick gains. So, a pullback is necessary, but let's see some of the big pullbacks of the day. You have NXM down 20%, Balancer down 15.6%, Band Protocol 15.3%. Now might be the time to step into some of these cryptos and add to your stack, or just maybe ones that you were looking at and you were waiting for a pullback. Now might be that time to score some cryptocurrencies on the cheap. Let's see some gainers today. Swipe up 17.3%, Aragon 5.5%, Divvy's up, Yuma just is up 4% over the past 24 hours. Let's go to the next page here. It's always good to look at the next group of cryptos, not just the top 100. But let's take a look at some losers on this page as well. And we have StakeNet, Energy, Anchor, Beam, all down. Zap is down 13.8% after surging 453%. Unbelievable. Some massive gainers. Serum 1,103%. Unreal. Singularity Net up 13.3%. Claros, Origin Trail, DOS Network all up today. So let's go over and take a look at Bitcoin and why it is not hitting or getting past the $12,000 mark. To me, no big deal, but hey, let's take a look at it anyway. The price of Bitcoin rejected the $12,000 resistance level for the second time in the past 10 days. Traders are generally optimistic about the short-term trend of BTC, following its extended consolidation below a critical resistance level. When an asset stays relatively stable near a major resistance area, it typically suggests a bullish continuation is likely. It shows that sellers do not have enough pressure to push BTC down to a pivotal price point. Many traders seemingly anticipate the price of Bitcoin to remain in the $10,500 to $12,000 range. If BTC does not drop below a key support level at 10,500, technical analysts say that the bullish market structure will remain intact. So, exactly, if it doesn't drop below 10.5, we're still looking in good shape. So, a healthy correction is a-okay. Perfect time to accumulate and to scoop up some Bitcoin, because you don't know. I mean, it could skyrocket past $12,000 in just a few days. We just don't know. We'll see. So, all right. So, in the near term, whether profits from altcoins will flow into Bitcoin remain in question. Vinokurov noted that the willingness of the market to take an additional risk with altcoins demonstrates a positive market sentiment. He says, interestingly, year to date, the MVIS 100 small cap index is up 74.51%. In large cap index is up 74.23%. Market's willingness to take on more risk is evidenced in capital flow into small cap assets is a net positive overall, which we're seeing that right now with altcoins just going insane. The combination of a favorable high time market structure and a positive on-chain data has lifted the sentiment around Bitcoin in the longer term, but in the short term, some predict a minor pullback, which would make the market less overheated. Exactly right. So Tezos. Tezos XTZ follows Chainlink to hit new high, but is $6 now realistic? So if you've been watching Tezos over the past year, it is really mirrored Chainlink all along, except for most recently when Chainlink went on its tear. XTZ has not, but it's starting to move a bit. So as Chainlink reaches a new all-time high after all-time high, it would be expected to see a similar move on Tezos. This is because these two coins have been moving in tandem in recent years and have been one of the few resilient digital tokens despite the cryptocurrency bear market during that period. Tezos did indeed show strength as XTZ rallied from $2.95 to as high as $4.50 in the previous 4 days, resulting in a rally of more than 50%, but is an even bigger rally in the making for Tezos. Let's check out the charts. So I'm going to leave a link down below so you can actually view these charts real good and really understand what's going on here. But as the chart's showing below, the price of Tezos broke the resistance zone of 325 and started to show impressive strength. XTZ price rallied from $3.25 to $4.50 in a matter of days. If a cryptocurrency is in price discovery, the easiest way to determine target zones is through the Fibonacci extension indicator. In trading, it's ubiquitous to measure these targets by defining the 1.618 and 2.618 Fibonacci levels. A similar occurrence happened in the Tezos chart as the price broke through $3.25 and rallied toward the 1.618 Fibonacci level, after which it immediately continued to the next resistance zone at the 2.168 Fibonacci level. The price of Tezos then reversed, which can be attributed largely to the pullback of Bitcoin. Exactly. So I think, once Bitcoin does recover in the next day or so, whether it could even be today, it could start turning green. Who knows? You'll see XTZ follow, and I wouldn't be surprised if it did get up there to a Chainlink, push. It's just that's been the trend, but time will tell. Let me know down below if you think XTZ will continue to follow Link like it did in years and months past, and also, what do you think about Bitcoin? Do you think it will eventually break the $12,000 level pretty soon, or do you think we're gonna sit in this accumulation zone for a while? One thing before I let you guys go, if you have not downloaded the Brave browser yet, now might be a good time. It's absolutely free. It's just like Google Chrome because it's built on the Google Chrome framework. You can download Google Chrome extensions, everything like that. The big difference here is it blocks ads and trackers, it saves you bandwidth, and it also saves you time, and on top of that, you get paid in cryptocurrency when you click on ads like this one down at the bottom left, like crypto.com. When you click on links like that, you get paid in BAT, basic attention token. So for the month of July, I earned 19.475 basic attention tokens, which equals $4.93, as you can see right here to the right. When BAT hits its all-time high of almost $1, that means I've earned over $19 just for using the Brave browser, and I earned similar amounts on my mobile phone as well. I'm going to leave a link down below for you to get the Brave browser if you don't have it already, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video.